Dematerialization of government securities. See here, the documents required for dematerialization of government securities. Actually, we need physical certificates of GSEC, form of transfer, the prescribed form of transfer by RBI, and DRF form, Demat request form, and this form shall be given by the depository participant, and each depository they have their own format, some with some slight variations. Okay, so these are the documents required for demat of government securities. And see the process: investor will submit the documents to the DP or depository participant. Depository participant in turn will submit documents to the depository. Okay, that is NSDL or CDSL, and depository in turn will forward the documents to RBI. Okay, and RBI will revert back to depository saying that whether they have accepted or they reject. Okay, along with the reasons, and RBI will revert back to depository, and based on the advice received from RBI, if they accept it, the depository will credit demat the government securities in demat account of investors, and after crediting it, they will inform the depository participants, and depository participants will inform the clients. That is, they will inform the clients that the dematerialization has been completed and their account has been credited with so many number of government securities. Okay, and ISIN, that is International Securities Identification Number, for government securities are allotted by RBI. Okay, demat of government securities, few more important points. So in the earlier slide we have seen the process for dematerialization of government securities, and you should understand that the various timeline remains same as that of dematerialization in case of shares. Okay, and here we are going to see about a few more other important points, like in case of NSDL we have to use DRF-GS, it is a separate form, whereas in case of CDSL normal demat request form can be used, and no partial demat of a certificate is possible. Say for example, a certificate consists of 100 bonds, it means that you cannot dematerialize 50 bonds, so you should dematerialize the entire certificate. Okay, so no partial demat is possible. And see the third point, DP should endorse and write on the back of the certificate as tendered for cancellation and credit to SGL account number dash Mumbai. Here the SGL account refers to the SGL account of the depository. So the RBI will credit government securities in SGL account of depository. Depository in turn will credit demat account of investors. Unlike in other cases, here the DP is instructed not to punch holes on the face of government securities, and here also you should remember that only those securities whose ISIN has been activated, or for those securities where ISIN is present, only those securities can be dematerialized. Okay, and here in case for a particular government security, if ISIN is not allotted, then the DP will write to government security cell of depository, and depository in consultation with RBI will allot ISIN number for that particular government security. Only then the demat process can be initiated. Government securities, few more points. See, as you know, government securities are issued by RBI through their public debt offices. We have public debt offices situated in various parts like Mumbai, Chennai, etc. And certificates issued by Mumbai PDO starts with BY, that is the certificate number starts with BY. And if an investor submits government securities issued by some other public debt office like Chennai, in such a case the investor should get attestation from the respective PDO in the form of transfer. And we have one more point known as shut period. So, what is shut period? Essentially, government securities are tradable in the market. In the sense, the ownership keeps on changing. Today, I may be holding the government security and I will sell, and tomorrow you will become the owner of the government securities. And what happens in the shut period? See, RBI wants to transfer the coupon or interest to the respective owners' bank accounts, isn't it? So, this is the purpose of government security. Government security provides interest to the investors. So, in order to understand or in order to get the exact ownership position, that is, who is the owner of a particular government security as on a particular date. So, what RBI will do is they will announce a period known as shut period, during which transfer of securities will not be entertained. Okay, what is the purpose? To understand or to arrive at the exact ownership details, so that they can transfer the benefits to the concerned investors. So, during this period, the transfer of securities shall not be entertained. Such a period is known as shut period.